Alright, welcome traders. Today is Thursday.
Order filled.
It is 8:48 in the morning, 8:49. So we just took our trade there. We actually been going in the downtrend.
Order submitted.
Go ahead and probably get right slightly before that profit pivot point. See how we do today. I don't think it's going to take long. As you can probably see that we've been in a persistent downtrend. So us getting filled is it's going to be pretty simple and easy and fast. So I think we already got $200 or so. We'll see how we do on this particular trade. I think I just activated my Alexa. I don't know if you know, listening to my conversations. Hopefully she can blast this across the Amazon network. We can get more people in our group and help people achieve their goals, right? So we're about $400 of profit right now. It's kind of going back and forth here. There we go. It's going back. Probably hear my kids in the background.
Order filled.
There we go. Cool. $600. All right, $600. That's what we just made in the market right here. Okay, and here's my son coming to invade our space. All right, hey guys, thank you for coming to this, watching this video. Again, join my YouTube group. My Facebook group, Coffee and Profits. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? And my son here is ready to trade, huh? Yeah, just woke up. So anyway, hey guys, hey, I love you guys, and I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.